Hi, my name is Alex, and today I have created a 3D printable COVID-19 mask. It comes in two parts. There is a filter with a 3" by 3" air filter inside of it. It's right there. And then there's also the mask part, this is for an adult head, so not for me. I am too small. And so it comes with an elastic, or it doesn't come with it, but you get an elastic strap. There's little notches here on the side. And so those notches and 2 or 3 staples do the job. And then you just take it and so notches on the side here. And you go ahead and click them in like that. And yeah, that's how you make your COVID-19 mask. I will leave a link to the 3D printable parts in the description of this video. And also, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email is also in the description.